Hi, Oksana Konstantina here, and welcome to Dance Spirit Club, where you learn how to dance, not just steps. Today we're going to talk about footwork. A lot of students ask us, what is footwork and why it's so important? So today we decided to explain why it's important and how we do it.
So what is a footwork? Footwork, it's how we're using our feet during the dancing. Footwork are responsible for our movement and our balance. So how we're using our feet, footwork? We have, when we take a step forward, we're using heel. We can use a ball of the foot, we can use toe, we can use inside edge of our foot or outside edge of our foot also. So how we're going to use a footwork when we are taking step forward? In the beginning, when we are taking step forward, most of the time our toe leads us, but then we're going to take a step on the heel of the foot. You can see I'm transfer my weight to the heel of the foot. Then we transfer weight and our foot receiving our weight. That's the heel of the foot. Then, when we are moving forward, I transfer my weight to the flat foot, then ball of the foot, and I'm picking up my right heel. Yes? And then we keep rolling through the foot forward. It's a toe of the foot. Then we're taking ball of the left foot, and then collecting our both feet together and keeping our weight on the ball of the feet. How we are using our feet when we are taking a step backward? We are staying on the standing foot, flex our knee, and moving our big toe backward. Then we are using toe of the foot, then moving on the ball of the foot. Then slowly transfer your weight backward and still keeping it on the ball of the foot. Our heel comes down when our right foot passes the left, and then we are rolling from the middle of the foot on the heel of our standing left foot.
So applies to walks, foxtrot, knees walks, and foxtrot.
One,
Tango is a little bit
three.
story.
Heel, bow, bow, heel, bow, bow, heel, bow,